Yeah, chase them all away. Woo! Ah, yeah. Fire, chase them all away. Oh, I look mad, you know. Fire, chase them. Hi, what we saying today, fam? Let's be serious to get me. Hi, guys, welcome to my channel, yeah? Today, as of late, the attention of my eyes has been caught by a lot of new shows, and I feel, let me come and give you the breakdown of what's been happening, you get me? The number one thing I've been watching, this one, everybody was talking about it, and I've succumbed to the pressure. This is not normally me. I don't normally succumb to pressure, but when it came to this matter, I don't know what happened, and I became led onto this path that made me to end up watch Bridgerton. I don't know how it happened. I just ended up watching it, you know what I mean? It was one fateful night. I didn't have anything to do. I said, do you know what, yeah? Let me see what the noise is about. Because a lot of the time, yeah, when people are making noise about a show, yeah, or making noise about a movie, I don't watch it immediately. I'll maybe watch it eventually, yeah, but when people are making noise about it, I'm not really gonna watch it. I'm not really too interested. It's like, why are people making noise, really? You people are causing me a headache. Why are you making noise? And it's like, when you cause the headache, you're not gonna give me paracetamol for this headache you're causing. So please, just allow it. Like, the show is an interesting one. I don't even know how to explain it. Do you know, I actually clocked I'm a bit slow. I was watching it, and it's only halfway through the season. I realized, oh, the family is called Bridgerton, and the show is called Bridgerton. So this show must be about them. I was like, wow, that's mad. For those that have not watched it, the show's not bad at all. I'm trying my best not to reveal too much. That show, they don't rate women. That's what it is. They don't rate women one bit. Their whole life purpose is to satisfy men on that show. It's far from what is going on in our lives today, but it's supposed to be based in years ago, so they can get away with it. It's a show anyway. It was a bit mad seeing it in that kind of light. Without men, these women basically haven't accomplished anything in society. The women were not exposed to Jack. The women that were exposed, they weren't seen as high class. The majority of the women, yeah, they were quite unexposed to how life works, because the purpose of their life is to get married. They push them here to get married, but they actually don't even know anything about marriage. Hastings, my guy, him and Daphne, I thought the major issue they had was communication issues, because the love is there from the beginning. It's there, you can feel it. There was something they said in that show here. Is it, I will burn for you? That is how deep the love is. I want somebody to burn for me, and I want to burn for somebody. Let me tell you now, that's how deep the love was here. Hastings, the way he's moving at the beginning here, his father is winning. His father was an unhappy man. You too, you're gonna end up unhappy, because you're not allowing yourself to be surrounded with things that are making you happy. You're not allowing yourself to be happy by progressing life. I mean, so just like, mate, you're really not winning here. You're actually just deceiving yourself. This guy here, your dad is up there resting, and you're here. Your whole life purpose here is to try and make him upset. But it's like, bruv, calm down. Like, you need to move on. You just have to watch the show here. But what I got from that show is that I need someone to burn for me. The next one, The Queen's Gambit. I never saw myself watching that show, not gonna lie to you. Like, when people were talking about the show and they were saying it was about chess, I said, oh, no. This is not exhilarating. This is not making my heart do somersaults. I'm not gravitating towards this. The front picture, the whole premise around it here was not, it was not calling Clinton's name. It wasn't saying, come to me. It was saying, go and sleep. So we're just like, nah, I'm not feeling it. Then I think my sister was watching it, and I just ended up watching it. The Queen's Gambit here, the only reason why I even watched it at a stretch here was because my sister was watching it. That kind of show is the kind of show just to take it day by day, take it to small portions. The show is good. It's a bit slow. It's another show they made noise about. Watched it. So I thought the only difference between that show and a lot of all these other shows here with women that are, or people striving to achieve something here, is that her goals was to achieve something in chess. That's the only difference to me. But a lot of the other things, like her drinking, having men issues, I've seen it all before. Then Lupin, you know, that's the, if you're just reading straight English here, it will be Lupin. But I found out that the show is a French show, because my friend was talking about it, and now when I watched the show. And that show, yeah, the main guy, the guy is sharp. He's just only quite sharp, and he's out to clear his father's name. When you say, yeah, somebody has no limits, that's what that guy has. That guy has no limits to clearing his father's name on that show. And it's like, good. Because even though the dad is no more around here, what they're getting away with is madness. To make people think that, right, his dad did that, it's crazy. Like, what am I on about? The dad is dead because of them. That's what it is. And that is mad. These people have gotten away with murder. They've gotten away with pressing charges on this man unprovoked for no absolute reason. Okay, they have a reason, but it had nothing to do with him. It's like, they cannot get away with it. And my guy is saying they're not getting away with this thing. I am going to go through any lengths I need to go to make sure these guys don't get away with it. My guy really handed himself into the prison cell. That will not be me and him, chat. He can do that one on his own. This is serious business. I cannot be involved in such serious business, chat. That'll take me to the prison cell. I don't think so. It's only part one that has come out. Where it ended was a bit, it was was mad. I don't know what's gonna happen now, because now they're messing with two major parts of his life. They're looking for trouble. And it's a bit like, mate, you people need to mind yourselves. You're playing with the wrong person. These shows, people have been making noise about them, and this is really what I have to say on them. And yeah, they were good. I don't regret watching them. It was a good experience, you know what I mean? And really, that's that.